Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we'll learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 8, 8a. Chapter name is Ratio, Proportion and Unitary Methods of Class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions. Self-practice exercise 8a, question 1, and chapter name is Ratio, Proportion and Unitary Methods. Topic is comparing quantities, ratios and simplest form of a ratio. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is express the following as a ratio. First bit is my dad is twice as old as I am. यहाँ पे हमको रेशियो निकालना है डेड और योर डेड्स एज एंड योर एज. Suppose I am x years old and my dad will be 2x. That is twice means two times of your age. That will be 2x years old. So ratio of your dad age and ratio of my dad age and my age will be 2x. My dad age is 2x and I am x years old. So 2x ratio of x, that is 2x divided by x, and x will be cancelled and we get 2:1. So 2 divided by 1 we can write it as 2:1. This is the ratio symbol, colon symbol. So ratio of my dad and my age is 2:1. अब हम सेकेंड बिट बी का रेशियो निकालेंगे. माई लॉन इज थ्राइस एज लार्ज इज द लॉन इन मिस्टर Sakala's house. Suppose Mr. Sakala's house is x meter large and my lawn will be thrice as large. Thrice means 3 times. So 3 times of Sakala's house lawn. So my lawn will be 3 times of x, that is 3x. So ratio of my lawn and Mr. Sakala's house lawn will be, my lawn is 3x is to x, 3x divided by x. Mr. Sakala's house lawn is x, so 3x divided by x and x will be cancelled. So 3 divided by 1, or you can write it is 3:1. And this is the ratio symbol, colon symbol, 3:1. Colon symbol is the ratio symbol. So ratio of my lawn and Mr. Sakala's house lawn is 3:1. Now we will solve third bit C. In the entrance test, 2 divided by 5 of the candidates who appeared for the test cleared it. We have to find the ratio of the candidates who appeared and who appeared to the clear in the entrance test. There are total 5 students. 5 candidates appeared in the test, out of which 2 candidates are clear in the entrance test. That is 2 divided by 5, that is 2. Number 2 is the candidates clear in the entrance test and 5 is the total number of candidates who appeared in the entrance test, who appeared for the entrance test. So ratio will be 2 divided by 5, or we can write it in ratio symbol, that is 2:1 or 2. This is the colon symbol is ratio symbol. So ratio of the candidates who clear in the exam to the ratio to the candidates who appear for the entrance test is 2:1. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is express each of the following ratios in simplest form. 200:300. So simplest form of this ratio 200:300 will be 200 divided by 300. We can cancel 2 zeros. We get 2:1 or 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3 is the simplest form of this ratio 200:300. Second bit B 76:57. Simplest form of this ratio 76:57 is in fractional form. We can write 76 divided by 57, and 19 is the common factor between 76 and 57, so we divide 76 antecedent, 76 is the antecedent and 57 is the consequent. We divide 19 with antecedent 76 and divide 19 with consequent 57. We get 76 divided by 19 is 4 and 57 divided by 19 is 3. So 4 divided by 3 is the simplest form of this ratio. अब हम सी बीट का रेशियो निकालेंगे. अब हम सी बीट का सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म रेशियो एक्सप्रेस ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेशियोज इन सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. 144:168 इसका हम सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. रेशियो को सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म will be 144:168. We can write it in fractional form will be 144 divided by 168. And 144 and 168 में 24 है कॉमन फैक्टर, सो 24 को डिवाइड करेंगे एंटीसीडेंट 144 के साथ एंड 24 को डिवाइड करेंगे एंटीसीडेंट इज 144 डिवाइड करेंगे 24 के साथ एंड कॉन्सिक्वेंट है 168 को 24 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे. तो हमको मिला 144 डिवाइड बाय 24 इज 6 and 168 divided by 24 is 7. 6 divided by 7. 6 divided by 7 is the simplest form. D. 1 dozen to 1 score. Simplest form will be 1 dozen is 12 and 1 score is number 1. So 12 divided by 1. E. 10,000 to 1 lakh. Simplest form will be 10,000 divided by 1 lakh. 1 lakh is 100,000. Cancel 4 zeros. Cancelling 4 zeros, we get 1 divided by 10. So simplest form 10,000 to 1 lakh मिला 1:10. And simplest form 1 dozen to 1 score हुआ 12:1. And simplest form 144:168 हुआ 6 divided by 7. 6 divided by 7. 1 dozen to 1 score is 12 divided by 1. And 10,000 to 1 lakh is 1 divided by 10. Simplest form of this ratio, just write down in fractional form. फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में लिख के उसको कॉमन फैक्टर है तो कॉमन फैक्टर के साथ डिवाइड करके सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म निकालना है. जैसे फ्रैक्शन में हम निकाल रहे थे फ्रैक्शन का सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन, जैसे ही कॉमन फैक्टर के साथ उसको डिवाइड करके जो नंबर मिला दैट इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द रेशियो. If you have not subscribed subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment